Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So can we plan for recycling? Based upon my video last week, I did get a number of comments and phone calls back from people. Had a couple people that were interested to find out how old roofing materials are repurposed. Talked to another person that was worried because they had just installed a new roof last year, and now they were concerned that they pick a roof membrane that would be a recycling candidate down the road. The good thing is that they did pick a membrane that could be recycled. They were disappointed to find out, however, that their application method, they installed a fully adhered roof, makes it not recyclable down the road. Very unfortunate. And then spoke to somebody else that was concerned. They found out that they, a number of years ago, that their roof was still a candidate for a high quality coating restoration, but they've waited too long. They just had a scan done, there's too much moisture, that roof's gonna need to come off. So timing is important. A couple of statistics. 70% of all of the plastics in this country never get recycled. They go straight to the landfill. And half of the roofs in this country are torn off prematurely. Those are both big numbers. As a nation, we can do better to make a better environmental future and a better sustainable future. So having said that, how are things repurposed? Some roof membranes, PVCs for instance, can in fact be recycled and be used in new roofing products. Insulations can be recycled into new roof insulation. But in general, a lot of the plastic type roofs and rubber type roofs can be recycled into other plastic and rubber consumer products. So if you'd like to know more, if you'd like to think through selecting a new roof system that can be recycled on the road, if any of those are areas of concern that resonate with you, give me a call and we can talk through an appropriate solution. In the meantime, I hope you're having a safe day, and don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Thank you.